Hey there, homeowners, thinking about installing your own kitchen countertops? Let's talk about why you might want to rethink that DIY project. Sure, the idea of saving some cash and unleashing your inner handyman sounds awesome. But here's the deal. DIY countertop installation is packed with hidden risks that can turn your dream kitchen into a nightmare. First up, choosing the right materials. It's not just about looks. Some materials aren't suitable for kitchen use and can easily get damaged. And then there's the design. Mixing and matching might sound fun, but it can end up looking like a hot mess. Then there's the structural support. Without proper bracing, those countertops can sag or even break, and trust me, incorrect measurements will haunt you. A little off here, a little off there, and suddenly nothing fits. Lack of proper tools is another biggie. Professional-grade tools are pricey, and using the wrong ones can ruin your project. Plus, let's not forget the safety factor. Injuries from heavy slabs or sharp tools are no joke. Here's a kicker. DIY mistakes can void warranties on materials. So if anything goes wrong, you're out of luck and out of pocket. Think you're saving time and money? Think again. Botched jobs require even more time and cash to fix. Instead, consider calling the pros, like Payless Kitchen Cabinets in Glendale, California. These experts handle everything efficiently and safely, ensuring your countertops look stunning and last for years. So save yourself the hassle. Leave countertop installation to the professionals. Your dream kitchen deserves it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Catch you next time.